Here we have this Goodman air conditioner. And the fan is not really working. And it's really loud. Yeah, sometimes the fan works and sometimes it doesn't for some reason. So yeah. Just a few minutes ago the fan was working just fine. But now it's just not even working. It's only like the compressor and stuff. And for some reason this air conditioner is really loud when it operates. But yeah. I think we may need an HVAC technician for this. Yeah. There are a couple reasons why this fan could be not spinning. First could be like a low ambient kit. Second could be like defrosting. Definitely wouldn't be defrosting. It's the 4th of July today. Have fun setting off fireworks. But yeah, I think the reason why is because it has something called a low ambient kit. Huh? Oh. Okay. Yeah, I think it's something to do with a low ambient kit. Now we'll show what that actually means. What of it for. So yeah, the fan's not been working for like 5 minutes now. And I'm gonna wait to see if it's gonna come, if the fan's gonna come back on. The air conditioner is shut off.